Hey, Transfer Superstars fam! Today we're exploring 7 essential Illustrator tips for DTF designs. Tip number 1, simple text effect. Begin by opening your Adobe Illustrator and selecting the word you want to apply a simple text effect. Add a stroke to your selected word. Navigate to the FX panel and add new effect. Go to Path, Offset Path, and hit OK. Go back to Effects. Head over to the Pathfinder section. Click Add to create a nice stroke effect. This creates a really nice stroke effect. It's editable and moves with changes in text. Tip number 2, Generative Recolor Beta. Disclaimer: I'm using Illustrator 2022, but this tip will work on the newer version that aren't available in older version. To recolor your entire design, go to the Edit menu, select Edit Colors, and then Generative Recolor Beta. Choose from the sample prompts for color variations or enter your own prompt at the top to generate a new color scheme. Tip number 3, adding depth with Intertwine. Also, for the third tip, it will not work on the older version, but if you have the 2023 version, do this. To add depth to your design by intertwining objects, select all of your objects. Navigate to the Objects menu, go to Intertwine, and select Make. Draw over the sections you want to be hidden behind other shapes. To stop editing, hold down Ctrl and click on the artboard. For editing again, select the group and click Edit, or use the Release button to get rid of the intertwine. Tip number 4, creating patterns. Create a pattern from an arrangement of different objects by grouping them by clicking Ctrl-G or Command-G. Go to Object, Pattern, Make. Click on the Pattern Tile tool in the new window and adjust the box size for the desired spacing. Change the type of grid and adjust other settings as per preference. Click Done and the pattern will be added to your swatches in the Swatch panel. To use the pattern, draw your desired shape using the Rectangle tool from your toolbar. Head to the Swatches panel and click on the Pattern swatch. If you need to adjust the pattern size, double-click on the Scale tool and check Transform Object in the Scale window, and adjust the Uniform slider to turn down the scale. Tip number 5, changing default fonts. Navigate to Window, type Character Styles. Define the character style options and change the format in basic character formats. Tip number 6, dual windows for layout. Create a new layout by first going to Window, then choose New Window. Go back to Window, Arrange, Tile to see both documents side by side. Tip number 7, precise type selection. For better object selection, when you are using Windows, go to Edit. Edit, while when you are using Mac, go to Illustrator, Preferences, Type. Check the option that says Type Object Selection by Path Only, which allows you to select the type only when you click on the actual path. Now you can easily select and change the color of the box underneath without the other word getting in the way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating designs for DTF.